Unit 2, Lesson 6. Vocabulary in context. Use a vocabulary word to tell about something you did. Shaped. Have you ever seen a home shaped like this? It is curved like a ball. Branches. 3 branches high above the ground are a good home for a sloth. Pond. Turtles make their home in a pond or a small lake. Beaks. These birds use their beaks to build their home. Deepest. The deepest part of the ocean is this whale's home. Break. This home won't break. It is made of strong rock. Hang. These bats hang upside down in their cave. Winding. Some animal homes have long, winding tunnels that twist and turn. Read and comprehend. Text and graphic features. An author sometimes adds special text and graphic features to a text. Some examples of graphic features are photos and charts. Some examples of text features are headings and words in bold print. These features help you find information quickly. They also help you know what an author thinks is important. You can use a chart like this to list features you find and tell how they help you. Text or graphic feature. Page number. Purpose. Target strategy. Question. Ask questions about what you are reading. Look for text evidence to answer your questions. Preview the topic. Animal homes. All animals need homes. Most wild animals find or build homes for themselves. For example, a bear might find a cave to use as its home. A bird builds a nest. Animals' homes help keep them safe, warm, and dry. You will learn more about where animals live and animals building homes. Target the skill. Text and graphic features tell how words and photos help you understand new information. Genre. Informational text gives facts about a topic. As you read, look for photos and headings, facts and details about a topic. Meet the author. Andy Perkins. Can you guess why author Andy Perkins has been called a walking animal encyclopedia? It is because her mind is filled with facts and information about all kinds of animals. Miss Perkins has written non-fiction books about animal eyes, ears, feet, feathers, noses, teeth, and tails. She also writes articles for Highlights for Children in a magazine put out by the San Diego Zoo called Zoo News. Animals building homes. Essential question. What are animal homes like? A beaver's home. A beaver is hard at work. It gnaws on a tree trunk. Soon, the tree falls. The beaver floats the log to a pond. There, the beaver builds a lodge. The beaver piles up logs. It fills the cracks between the logs with mud and grass. The lodge keeps the beaver safe and warm. Analyze the text. Using context, What is a lodge? How do the other sentences help you to figure out the meaning? Safe at home. Most animals need a home. Homes keep animals safe from predators, rain, snow, or the hot sun. Some animals live in their homes for life. Other animals live in their homes long enough to raise their offspring or survive hot or cold weather. Building nests. Many animals live in nests. A hummingbird builds a small cup-shaped nest. The nest is made of moss and bits of spider web. A mouse makes a grass nest in the shape of a ball. The mouse hides its nest in a tall grass or in a tunnel under the ground. Careful builders. Some animals put a lot of work into building their homes. Weaver birds make nests that hang from tree branches. The birds carefully weave grass and leaves together. Weaver birds use their feet and beaks to tie knots in the grass. Working together. Animals can work together to build homes. Termites build mounds made out of mud mixed with saliva. Other animals cannot easily break through the hard mud. Polyps are animals that make coral reefs. A polyp builds a limestone cup around its body for protection. The cups of the polyps grow together to make a coral reef. Making a burrow. Burrows are holes in the ground where some animals live. Gophers use their teeth and paws to dig long, winding tunnels. They make rooms in the deepest parts of the tunnels. The gophers hide their offspring and food in these rooms. Analyze the text. Text and graphic features. Use the headings to help you quickly find information about how a gopher makes a burrow. What is the heading for that page? Home improvement. Some animals live in homes made by other animals. Chickadees use tree holes made by woodpeckers. Chickadees bring grass and moss into the hole. They build a nest for their chicks. Building a home. Most animals need homes where they can rest and raise their offspring. Homes also keep animals safe from predators. Beavers build lodges. Mice make nests. Gophers dig burrows. How does a polar bear make its den? Comprehension. How to analyze the text. Use this page to learn about text and graphic features and using context. Then read animals building homes again. Use what you learned to understand it better. Text and graphic features. The author of Animals Building Homes used text and graphic features to make her ideas clear. For example, the headings help you know what you will read about in each section. They help you find information quickly. Use a chart like this to list text and graphic features and how you use them. Text or graphic feature, page number, purpose. Using context. Authors sometimes use special words about a topic that may be new to you. You can use other words in the sentence to help figure out what a new word means. Looking at the photos may also help you. Using a sentence or a photo to understand a new word is called using context. Your turn. Return to the essential question. Turn and talk. What are animal homes like? Share your ideas with a partner. Use the text features and photos from the selection to help you. Point to text evidence to explain your answer to the question. Classroom conversation. Now, talk about these questions with the class. 1. How can you use the headings to find information in the selection? 2. How are homes that people build the same as and different from the homes that animals build? 3. Why does the author put some words in bold print? Write about reading. Response. Write 2 facts that you learn about animal homes. Use text evidence such as words and pictures from the selection to help you. Writing tip. Remember that a statement tells something. It ends with a period. Informational text. Genre. Informational text gives facts about a topic. A subheading gives more information about a selection. Bold print text shows which words, sentence, or phrases are most important. Whose Home is This? By Jolie K. Stevens. Why do animals need homes? Animals need homes just like we do to stay safe and warm. Look at the pictures of animal homes on the next few pages. Can you guess what kind of animal might live in each home? This home is up high. This nest looks like a pile of dead leaves and branches. It is an animal's home. Many animals make their nests in trees. These nests are made from things the animals can find close by. Things such as leaves, twigs, moss, or feathers are used in nests. Who lives here? Some squirrels live in trees. Squirrels have large, strong claws that help them climb and jump. Birds are not the only animals that live in tree nests. A large cluster or bunch of leaves and twigs high in a tree might be a squirrel's nest. Baby squirrels can stay in the nest for up to 10 weeks. A squirrel might use a nest for a few months or even a few years. Sometimes squirrels will build more than one nest and use them all. This home is busy. These insects are building their home. There are thousands of small insects that live and work together in this tree. This insect is often called busy because it is always working. Who lives here? Bees work together in a hive. Beehive is a very busy place. A beehive is made up of parts called combs. Bees make the combs out of wax from their own bodies. The cells or small spaces near the edge of the comb hold honey. The cells in the middle are where the queen bee lays the eggs. Some bees look after the hive. Other bees collect nectar from flowers to make their food or honey. This home can move from place to place. There are many kinds of animals that live in or near the ocean. Can you guess what kind of animal might live in a shell? Who lives here? An empty shell like this one was once home for an animal. Hermit crabs carry their homes with them. The hermit crabs along the shore can be very shy around people. A hermit crab does not have a hard shell. It uses another animal's shell for cover. When an animal gives up its shell, a hermit crab may use it for its own. When a crab grows too large for its shell, it will molt or crash off the old shell. Then it will get a new one. Would you like to live in a shell? Compare texts. Text to text. Alike and different. Think about the most important ideas about animal homes in each selection. What did you learn from each that is the same? What is different? To answer, look for text evidence with a small group. Text to self. Share experiences. Think about the animal homes and animals building homes. Which have you seen before? Share your ideas with a partner. Text to world. Classify animals. With a small group, sort the animals in each selection by the type of home they build, such as a hole or a nest. Research other animals that live in those type of homes. Make a chart to share with the class. Grammar. Special kinds of nouns. Special nouns that end with s, x, ch, or sh get a different ending when they tell about more than one. Add es to these nouns to make them plural. Other special nouns change spelling to name more than one. A collective noun names a group of things. Plural nouns. 2 foxes, many classes, some finches, 3 dishes, 4 children. Collective nouns. The team, a class, my family, an army, the herd. Try this. Read each sentence. Tell if each underlined word is a plural noun or a collective noun. 1. The herd of deer ran away quickly. 2. The bushes hide animal homes. 3. The 3 mice ate the cheese. 4. Where did the flock go? When you write, check that all special nouns are spelled correctly when talking about more than one. Special nouns about one. A finch makes a nest. A mouse makes a nest. Special nouns about more than one. Finches and mice make nests. Connect grammar to writing. When you revise your writing, find special nouns that tell about more than one. Be sure the nouns follow the rules you have learned. Informative writing. When you write an informational paragraph, make sure you include details that tell about the main idea. Xian drafted a paragraph about beaver homes. Later, he added more details about his main idea. Revised draft. Beavers live on ponds. They use parts of trees to build their homes there. A beaver can use its teeth to gnaw on a tree, then the tree falls. Writing traits checklist ideas. Do all my details support the main idea? Organization. Does my top sentence tell the main idea? Word choice. Did I use exact words? Conventions. Did I write neatly and leave margins? Final copy. Beaver Lodges by Cian MacDonald. Beavers live on ponds. They use parts of trees to build their homes there. A beaver can use its teeth to gnaw on a tree. Then the tree falls. Beavers float logs to a place to build a lodge. The beaver uses mud and grass to fill cracks. That makes the lodge warm. Reading as a writer. Which details did Cian add to tell more about his main idea? Where can you add details to your own paragraph? I added more details about beavers' homes.